How to see WhatsApp hidden status. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can see hidden WhatsApp status. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the WhatsApp application and make sure that you have not muted that specific contact from your account. If you have muted that contact, then you won't be able to see their status. So make sure the contact is not muted. And if someone has hidden their WhatsApp status, then you won't be able to find or see their status due to the privacy or due to their privacy settings. So unfortunately, there is no official way to see it due to the WhatsApp privacy settings. However, you can follow some possible workaround. So for that, you can ask a mutual friend to check if they can see it. If you use another secondary WhatsApp account, then you can also see the status from your secondary or second WhatsApp account. So there is no official way to bypass the status privacy settings. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.